An artificial intelligence system finds patterns in data and makes predictions. The term artificial intelligence is widely used today. Translation, route recommendation systems, image recognition, virtual assistants, and even systems that generate text or images are all considered artificial intelligence. However, these very different systems share one common operation. They find patterns in data, create rules from those patterns, and use those rules to predict what will happen next. We call these two steps learning and prediction. Learning is the process of analyzing given data to discover features or patterns that can perform a specific task. A learning algorithm finds which rules work in the data and builds a model. Prediction is the process of using the trained model to infer results from new data. In other words, once learning is complete, the model is ready to use. For this reason, artificial intelligence algorithms are sometimes called algorithms that create algorithms. At this point, many people become confused. Not every algorithm is artificial intelligence. Let us think about an algorithm that sorts several numbers in descending order. A developer creates a sorting algorithm using math and writes it as a program. No matter which numbers are entered, the result is always correctly sorted. This task does not require training data because the rules are already defined in advance. However, translation or image recognition is different. Even if we try to write detailed rules, exceptions keep appearing, and the results can change when the conditions change even a little. For this reason, data-based artificial intelligence, or machine learning, lets data show the rules instead of having people write every rule. As learning methods that find patterns in millions of texts improved, the performance of automatic translation improved a lot. ChatGPT is one example of a language model trained in this way. An artificial intelligence process is a sequence of steps. It creates a predictive model by learning from data and then uses that model to process new input. The goal of artificial intelligence is to automate specific tasks that are difficult for people to perform. To achieve this goal properly, we must first define the task clearly. If the task is unclear, the process may work well but still fail to produce the result we want. For example, imagine we are building an automated parking system that uses artificial intelligence to recognize license plates. Since license plates contain numbers and letters, we might think about creating a model that recognizes numbers and letters. However, this goal is too broad. The artificial intelligence may find numbers and letters in places that are not license plates. Then, unnecessary information enters the system, and the system's purpose becomes unclear. Therefore, the task should be defined as recognizing a car license plate and reading the numbers and letters inside it, and not simply recognizing numbers and letters. Once the goal is defined, the artificial intelligence must locate the license plate and read the characters inside it. After the task is defined, we must gather data for the computer to learn from. The data should be collected carefully according to the predictive model we want to build. For example, to train a model that distinguishes handwritten numbers from 0 to 9, the artificial intelligence needs images that show the correct number for each image. People must label the images themselves. An important point in collecting data is that the data must represent the entire population. If we train only on data from a particular age group or handwriting style, the recognition rate may fall in other situations. Therefore, building large, high-quality datasets that computers can learn from often determines the success or failure of an artificial intelligence system. One question still remains. When we have collected enough data, in what form does a computer store the rules it has learned? In its memory?